Affiliate marketing for dummies coming right up. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Bird here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, we're going to show you the simplest way you can do affiliate marketing. And before we get into the video, on this channel, I'll show you how to make money online. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified of the latest videos that I upload. Right, let's go on to the video. So how you can do affiliate marketing, guys, because I know there's a lot of people there who wants to do affiliate marketing, but they're just bombarded with information after information. And then because of that, they have information overload and they never take action. But guys, affiliate marketing is really simple if you really understand how it works, and you don't have to you can later on build a website and YouTube stuff, because so you can build you can grow your business that way. But if you want to make real quick and easy way to sell affiliate marketing, that's what I'm gonna show you. So let's get to it. So for those who don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically it's just selling other people's product, right? So they have products here and you'll just become an affiliate, right? And then once you apply as affiliate, they will give you a what you call an affiliate link, right? Affiliate link where they will know so if people buy products through affiliate link, the product creator knows who to credit the commissions for, right? So that's very important. So once you apply for an affiliate, make sure to get the affiliate link so that they will know where to give the commission, right? That's one. And then, so just pick a product and promote, right? So pick a product and promote. Right. So if we want to start, guys, if we want to start how to do the affiliate marketing, I suggest this is probably the easiest affiliate course that I did, and just the sales and the easiest. I think it is the easiest course I'm selling because I'm really good, and that is Facebook engagement. So if you want to grab the course on how I do that, because there's a lot of social media account you can do Instagram, you can do Twitter, YouTube, Facebook. But for me, in all my experience with affiliate marketing, this is probably the easiest, guys, the easiest way you can do affiliate marketing, and it's just using your Facebook profile, pure and simple, right? So if you want to grab that course, it's going to be on the link on the description. It's called Easy Profile Profit, and it's by my good friend Peter Barry. And guys, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, you don't have to buy funnels and stuff or emails and stuff. This is so simple. You can definitely make money like 1,000 or 2,000 or more than that every single month by just selling this one course. And it's going to be evergreen because people are always looking for ways to make money on their business, especially here on Facebook, and Facebook is not going to go anywhere, guys. So this is so simple, right? So I'm going to show you how I did that, like, because I'm just focusing on that course here on Facebook, right? I'm promoting a lot of stuff, but I'm focusing on that course just here on Facebook, right? So you can see here, my Facebook engagement is really high. Like every post I make, I have like almost 200 reactions and comments and stuff, right? So people want this. People like to see profiles with people that have this lot of engagement, right? So this is how I do affiliate marketing. Boom. You see this, guys? Who wants a free copy of my Facebook engagement mini course? Comment I do below. Right? So I didn't go to ads. I didn't do those ninja stuff. This post is really simple. I just ask people who wants a free copy of my course, because that's how I lead them to the Facebook engagement course that you are going to get access with. You see here, you see how many people are asking for this course. I do, please, I do. And by just one post, guys, I probably generated on 89 comments, probably 50 to 60 leads. And what's so important about this, because I consider them high quality leads, because they ask permission, right? They asked permission for me to send, or they gave me their permission to send me my Facebook engagement course, and that you will also get access if you check the link on the description down below. And you see here, guys, I didn't do websites, right? I didn't create a funnel I didn't create a email autoresponder. This is probably the easiest, the simplest way you can do affiliate marketing. So I just have this product, one product, and I just promote this on Facebook, right? That's so simple. Just rinse and repeat everything here. Promote on Facebook, promote. So when you do promotion, guys, here on Facebook, you can definitely make $50 to $100 per day, easy, just this course alone, right? You don't have to buy anything else, guys. Facebook is really simple now. When I bought this course and learned it and mastered it, Facebook marketing is so simple, right? That's why I want to tell you guys, affiliate marketing for dummies, because you don't have to complicate things. This is so easy. You can definitely make money, $1,000 or $2,000 a month by just selling this one course. So, and what's so simple about this, guys, is that because they are my friends, right, I can just have access to their email, their messenger. So I just send the messenger, right? I just send the course through their messenger, right? So 50 comments here, and guess how many people bought the course, right? So again, if you want access to the course, it's going to be on the description down below. So don't complicate affiliate marketing, guys. This is so simple, right? So this is one post. Let me show you again other posts I do to help me generate leads and sales on Facebook alone here. So I'm also using a Facebook tool, right? So I show them the result, right? The result of the tool. And whoa, this Facebook tool is generating leads like crazy. Who wants to get access, right? I do info. Again, 136 comments, guys. How many people asked for permission for me? That they gave me permission to send them the affiliate link for them to check out. And for how many people actually bought the course, right? Or the toolkit, right? So that is so simple. You don't have to, again, create websites, YouTube channel, Instagram, multi-channel approach, or drive yourself all over the place, right? Just focus on Facebook, focus on this one course, and you will definitely make money on this. Because who doesn't want their Facebook post to have this kind of engagement, guys? Business people wants engagement. Business people wants leads for their business. This is what they want. And especially if they are network marketers, they want to position themselves as a person of a leader, person of authority. So having people engaging on your post like this one, right, that will definitely position you as a person, that an influencer, because this is how much engagement you're getting. So let me show you again here. Who wants to create or learn how to create 200 to 300 likes per post, make 3+ sales per day in any business? Comment I do below. You see here, guys, this is one result I have with my Facebook profile. My post has been loved 6,000 times by your friends, right? So imagine how many people asked for that information. And let me show you other posts as well. See here, guys, every post I make is like 100 to 200, almost 300. Simple, right? Easy. Right, let me here. Who wants to learn how to get 200 to 300 organic likes per post and make 3+ sales in any business? Comment info below. You see here, guys, how many people asked for information. They gave me their permission to send them my link, to send them my affiliate link with this Facebook course, right? So this is, guys, you don't have to complicate things. You don't have to complicate affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, grab the course, grab the Facebook engagement course in the description down below, and then sign up as an affiliate and definitely make money every single day by just this one course, guys. So you see here, that's really awesome, right? So if you want to grab the course again here, so you don't have to, if you are, have other products to promote as well, you can use this strategy, that course. See here, who wants to copy the exact blueprint I'm using to make 4 figures in a single day for free? Comment info below to know how. You see here, info, right? I message you, right? Info. So that's it, guys. You don't have to use Facebook ads for this one. just your Facebook profile. When you create posts, you have people now giving you their permission to send them your affiliate links for them to check out. Right? So this, guys, affiliate marketing for dummies, so simple, right? And again, grab that course. That is only Facebook course you will ever need on Facebook. All right. So I really hope you get value from this video. If you do, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you don't get value from this video, give this video a thumbs up. And I'm sorry, thumbs down. And if you do find value, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about Facebook marketing, let me know in the comment section down below, because I'm always happy to help you any way I can. Alright guys, so Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. We'll catch you next time. Bye for now.